Hello there. Let's use Elliott wave theory to do a quick analysis on S&P 500 index. This is basic Elliott wave theory. 5 waves downtrend and ABC rebound. And you have to understand that the time frame. Right now I'm checking the weekly chart for SPX weekly chart. If this is a weekly chart, 5 waves downtrend, but in the upper level time frame, for example, monthly chart, this only means 1 wave. So keep this in mind. Keep this in mind. Different time frames, you see different waves. So 5 waves in weekly charts means only 1 wave in the monthly chart. All right. So in the weekly chart, let's check here. In the downtrend, this is the downtrend. Let's check how many waves. If you count this like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but this is not based on the Elliott wave theory, because in the Elliott wave theory, the fourth wave cannot touch the first one's bottom. But here you can see here it's touched. So then it's not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it's A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3. But here we use it as ABC wave. Then let's look at the right side. Same there. If you take it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then same here. You have the platform here, but it's not the same as Elliott wave theory. What now then? Then it's 1, 2, 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Because the third wave, most of the time, is the biggest wave in the 5 waves. So this is bigger than the first wave. You can see it from Fibonacci extension. So the fifth wave is bigger than the first one. So this is the ABC, or sorry, this is the 1, 2, 3. This is the third wave. But by only looking at the third wave in weekly chart, you don't see much. We have to look a little bit deeper to the lower time frame, which is the day chart. Let's check the day chart. So this is the starting point here is 3,800. This is 3,800. So this is the starting point from the weekly chart. This is the third wave in weekly chart. So what's in the day chart? It's quite easy here. If you count it like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, also 5 waves in the day chart. And then what now then? It's the ABC wave. So right now, waiting for the B wave rebound. And then if it cannot break the peak here, which is 4,600, then it will go to the C wave. And C wave, it's the main wave. So be careful if it's not breaking the 4,600, it will go down a little bit strong or aggressively. So be careful with the C wave. All right, that's all for my quick analysis.